Well, the confirmation that broke here first on Times Now, it is now official that after Arvind Kejriwal, his successor would be his close confidant Atishi. Atishi, who's been named as the next Delhi Chief Minister, according to sources. Arvind Kejriwal proposed the name of Atishi when the MLA meeting that was taking place. All of the MLAs who have said to have welcomed his proposal unanimously. Atishi, who is also close confidant of both Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, as she oversees more than 10 portfolios in the national capital. She is also a key architect of the Delhi education model, and if we speak of a track record, she has a fairly clean public image and has not been named in any case. However, when it comes to when top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party were behind bars, it was Atishi along with other top netas of the Aam Aadmi Party who were taking over as far as the governance in the national capital is concerned. Our guests continue to be with us, and so do our reporters as well. Of course, Tetri, a big announcement that has been made by Gopal Rai himself, giving us an insight on what happened in the meeting where Atishi's name was proposed.
Well, absolutely, and her name was chosen unanimously, as in fact all the MLAs were telling us, and in fact we have also seen the address that was just Gopal Rai made, and in fact in that particular press briefing, Gopal Rai clearly mentioned that it was Arvind Kejriwal who has put forward the name of Atishi, and his name was her name was chosen unanimously. And today at 4:30 p.m. Kejriwal will tender his resignation and also will propose the formation of new government. However, there was no discussion on the cabinet as of now, is what Gopal Rai has said, and in fact all the MLAs have also in fact said that they endorsed to Kejriwal's decision, and in fact they also supported that Atishi should be chosen as the new chief minister, and there are several reasons as to why she has been endorsed. Number one, she being a woman, so it will be very in fact smooth for Aam Aadmi Party to communicate with the women voters of Aam Aadmi of the national capital. And apart from that, she also holds several portfolios. She is very vocal. She in fact was very active while making the policies of education. She has worked closely with the government, and the most important thing is that she is not involved in any kind of case, because most of the leaders in Aam Aadmi Party have been named either in one or the other case, and most of them have particularly been named or been arrested in the alleged Delhi liquor policy scam. So as far as Atishi's name is concerned, her name was clear, her name was clean, and she was concerned so as to be the close confidant of Arvind Kejriwal. So that is why she has been picked up. Now there will also be challenges in front of her, as the BJP calls her as the puppet CM, and Saurabh Bharadwaj has already said that whosoever will be the new chief minister will be acting like a Bharat. That means that was a clear indication that all decisions will be taken by none other than Arvind Kejriwal, and that only was said by
Mr. Akashdeep Muni. Akashdeep Muni ji, good afternoon to you, sir. As far as Atishi's name that has been proposed and unanimously accepted, will she now take over the role as Bharat, or will she be someone, as the BJP call it, as a puppet CM for the remainder of the term?
See, when Arvind Kejriwal was in jail, Bharatiya Janata Party questioned that why he is not getting bail. The Supreme Court is against him. Today, Arvind Kejriwal has 4 bail orders in his name, and he is out of jail. When Arvind Kejriwal was the chief minister, they said that why he is not resigning. There's so much taint. Now today, he, taking the highest order of ethics, resigned from his position without any problem in governance, and named a woman to be the chief minister who has come from down the rung without any family support or anything. And today, still BJP is protesting. If they want, if they are protesting, they should do the same in their own state.
No, but Mr. Muni, there was a hint that was dropped by Saurabh Bharadwaj himself, asserting in a way that, it will not change, because the real leader, the true leader will always be Arvind Kejriwal, as he's the one, he's been chosen by the people of Delhi. So is it Arvind Kejriwal or Arvind Kejriwal's choice, Atishi?
Now listen to me. The mandate was for Arvind Kejriwal. For he had to govern for 5 years. Because of the highest ethics, today he has resigned, and he wants to go back to the chief minister chair only when the people will ask them, and people will be voting for him. This can be emulated by the Bharatiya Janata Party also. There was a white paper taken out by BJP against Hemant Biswa Sarma and Ajit Pawar. Ask them to resign. Let
No,
them have
because
fun
the BJP
of
on their end has been
resigning
asking
and
that if he's
asking the
taken the
people.
decision to resign or to step down himself, then what was he doing on the day when he was arrested? Why didn't he take that decision back then? And he also had the option of dissolving the assembly. But I would like to also talk about, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party leader is concerned, she's an MP. And we talk about Swati Maliwal now. Of course, having strained relations with the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party, she's come out and said that this is a sad day for Delhi, and saying that Atishi's kin had fought for Afzal, and saying that she's calling it as disappointment, saying that this is nothing but a dummy CM. And Swati Maliwal goes on to say that may God protect Delhi. Well, that is Swati Maliwal. Her reaction that is now coming in on the news break that has now been confirmed, as Atishi will be taking charge as the next Delhi Chief Minister. And however, not on unexpected lines. However, Swati Maliwal there on your screens as we are looking at what she has to say, saying that this is disappointing really, but saying that this is coming at a time which is not unexpected. However, she's been calling Atishi as a dummy chief minister, saying that may God bless the people of the national capital. This is how Swati Maliwal has been reacting. Tetri, reactions coming in, of course, from the opposition side. We are yet to hear officially from the Congress's side, but Swati Maliwal isn't very happy.
And in fact, it is not only Swati Maliwal who is hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party and Atishi and calling her as the dummy CM, but in fact, several reactions coming in. And this was the first reaction that has come in from Swati Maliwal, who is calling आतिशी आज in fact will cut live. सर ये बताइए कि आतिशी को जो है वो पपेट सीएम कहा जा रहा है, इसे कैसे देखते हैं आप?
देखिए आपका प्रश्न पूछो फिर से।
आतिशी को डमी सीएम कहा जा रहा है, इसे कैसे देखते हैं? स्वाति मालीवाल ने अभी
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, ठीक है, लेकिन आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने बता दिया कि ना भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आतंक और डर के आगे न वो डरते हैं, न झुकते हैं, न रुकते हैं। और आज उन्होंने बताया कि अगर जेल में रख करके आप सरकार से इस्तीफा लेना चाहोगे मुख्यमंत्री पद से, तो हम आपसे डरते नहीं हैं, हम नहीं देंगे। और अब जब बाहर आए तो उन्होंने कहा कि दिल्ली के लोगों का काम मेरे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, उनसे बहुत प्यार करता हूं, मेरे लिए दिल्ली के लोग महत्वपूर्ण है, देश के लोग महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं कभी भी ऐसे कई बार अगर इस्तीफा देना पड़े उनके लोगों के लिए तो मैं तैयार हूं। इसलिए आज
आपको क्या संदेश दिया गया?
नहीं, संदेश साफ है कि दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए काम न रुका है, न रुकेगा। और अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको रोकने का कोशिश करेगी तो अरविंद केजरीवाल उसका डटका।
क्या कहा मीटिंग में?
आज हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले विधायक दल के लोग बैठे और फैसला किए कि चूंकि पूरा सरकार का मैंडेट अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के अपने नेता के नाम पे मिला है, तो ये अधिकार मुख्यमंत्री चुनने का अगला उनको होना चाहिए। हम सबने उनको अधिकृत किया और उन्होंने आतिशी जी के नाम को रखा।
So this was the MLA Akhilesh, Aam Aadmi Party's MLA Akhilesh, who was in conversation with Times Network, and in fact he decoded so as to what transpired in the meeting, and all the MLAs in fact pointed out to Arvind Kejriwal that they agreed to
what is now being expected that Arvind Kejriwal, who has already sought an appointment with the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, would be tendering his resignation. Reactions already pouring in with the name that has been proposed of Atishi as the next Delhi Chief Minister. Let's break. What Union Minister Kiran Rijiju